In this video, we're diving into Mailchimp template customization for beginners. If you're looking to make your emails stand out without any design experience, you're in the right place. Stick around, and we'll show you how to make your Mailchimp templates pop with ease. To start, let's talk about the basics. When you first open Mailchimp, you'll want to choose a template that fits your brand. There are a variety of pre-made templates available, ranging from simple newsletters to promotional templates. Choose one that closely matches the look and feel you're going for, because customizing is so much easier when you have a solid foundation to work with. Next thing, let's get into the real customization. Once you've selected a template, you'll see several blocks, each containing different content like text, images, and buttons. This is where the magic happens. You can drag and drop these blocks to rearrange them however you like. Want to move a button up or add a picture? Just drag and drop. It's that simple. The third thing you'll need to do is adjust the text. Click on any text box, and you can change the font, size, color, and even the alignment. If you want to add some style to your emails, don't forget about Mailchimp's text formatting options like bold, italics, and bullet points. These small changes make a big impact on the overall look of your template. Now, the fourth thing is adding images. Images are key to making your email more engaging. When you click on an image block, you can upload your own images or use Mailchimp's library of free stock photos. Make sure your images are high quality and match the overall tone of your email. Another important thing to remember is buttons. Buttons are crucial for driving action, whether it's directing readers to your website or getting them to make a purchase. When customizing buttons, pay attention to color contrast so they stand out. You can adjust the text on the button, its size, and its alignment to ensure it grabs the reader's attention. The sixth thing we'll talk about is personalization. Mailchimp offers dynamic content features, meaning you can customize the email based on your recipient's preferences. This is a powerful tool to make your emails feel more personal and relevant to each subscriber. The seventh thing to keep in mind is testing. Before sending your email to your whole list, always preview it. Use Mailchimp's built-in preview tools to see how your email looks on different devices. You can also send test emails to yourself to make sure everything looks as good as it should. Finally, once you're happy with your customized template, don't forget about saving and reusing it. Mailchimp allows you to save any template you create as a custom template, which makes it easy to use again in the future without starting from scratch. If you're ready to get started with Mailchimp template customization for beginners, don't forget that you can try Mailchimp completely free using the first link below, plus we have exclusive bonuses just for you. It's an easy way to start making professional-looking emails without the steep learning curve. By the way, don't miss out on our extended free trial of Mailchimp, perfect for testing out everything we've covered in this video. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you're feeling confident to start customizing your own templates.